we are going to study about the another topic of this chapter, and that is the packaging of DNA. Clear? And in the other words, we are going to say that it is called the formation of chromosomes. Clear? So here we are going to study about the packaging of DNA. So everybody can see the structure of DNA over there, and this is the double helix structure, and it is always found in the spring like structure, and with the two helix. This is the DNA structure, and if we are going to straight that structure, so it will convert into the ladder like structure. So two helix are there here, 5 dash, 3 dash, and 3 dash, 5 dash, and in between there will be a nitrogenous bases with attached with the double bond and triple bond. So now we are going to study what is the role of packaging, what is the role of packaging of DNA, and what is the major distance in between the pair of nitrogenous bases and the pair of the total nucleotides. So here you can see the it is that it is total one nucleotide. You can see one nucleotide means one coiling of DNA. So here to here it is one coiling of DNA. So the length of this, it is 3.4 nanometer. Clear? It is 3.4 nanometer. Clear? So one nucleotide distance, it is 3.4 nanometer. Again we are going to study about the two pair of nitrogenous bases. This is one pair, this is another pair of nitrogenous bases. So distance between two pair of nitrogenous bases, distance between this, so it is 0.34 nanometer. Clear? It is 0.34 nanometer. So here we can study about the length of DNA. We can study about the length of DNA. So if we are having the number of nucleotides means this is one nucleotide, this is another nucleotide, this is another nucleotide. So how many number of nucleotides are there? So with that nucleotide, or another formula, that how many pair of nitrogenous bases, so according to the we can count the pair of nitrogenous bases, like one इसमें we can count like 1, 2, then 3, then 4 nitrogenous bases pair, and we can count and we can multiply it by 0.34, because 0.34 is the distance between two pair of nitrogenous bases. Clear? Two pair of nitrogenous bases. So first we can count how many pairs are there, and then distance between two pair of one pair of nitrogenous bases, so it is 3.4. so the total number of pair multiplied by 3.4 nanometer, so we can find out the total length of DNA, total length of chromosomal structure. So this is the easy procedure to find out the total length of chromosomal structure or DNA. Clear? Now we are going to study about the structure of bacterial DNA. So in that bacterial DNA, it's a very minute structure of bacteria, and it's a very minute structure of that virus. So but here inside the DNA, it's a long length of DNA. So how it can be possible that long length of DNA, it is found in the minute structure of bacteria. So you can see here the another structure of DNA, bacterial DNA. So it is, there will be two portion are there, one protein portion and one chromatin portion. So that protein portion inside the DNA, so like that beaded like structure inside the DNA. So in that beaded like structure, these beaded like structure or protein portion always with plus charge, always with plus charge. And this thread like structure which is found, it is called chromatin, and always it is minus charge. Clear? Charge with these that beaded structure, always it is plus charge, and having plus charge, and that thread like structure always having minus charge. Clear? So according to that they are attached together, and here you can see how it can merge inside the total structure, and then inside the total structure of that DNA, total structure of bacteria. So it is the minute structure of bacteria. So in protein portion, you can see in that protein portion, the total chromatin thread like portion, it is attached like a loop, like that. Here you can see it's like a loop, so that it will convert into a small structure and it can be merged inside the bacteria. So this is the process. But another process for the eukaryotic bacteria. So here eukaryotic bacteria is large structure and large chromosomal structure, large DNA inside the, but there will be another process and another structure of the eukaryotic bacteria. So in the eukaryotic bacteria, you can see this diagram. So this will be the, here you can see, this will be the structure of octane. Octane means 8 protein structure. This is the 8 protein structure of one unit. This is the one unit. Clear? One unit. So one unit octane molecule of protein together make a one octane structure, and it is one unit of octane structure, and this is called the chromatin. It is called chromatin, and this is always having minus charge, and this is always having plus charge. Clear? Always having plus charge. So you can see I am going to clarify this with the another, with the that another diagram. Clear? So in that diagram you can see the total structure of the main packaging of DNA. So here everybody can see this is the structure of DNA and this is the octane structure. So in that octane structure you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4, and like that here 1, 2, 3 and the back side 4. So all together it is total 8 octane structure. So it is octane structure of histone protein. It is called histone protein. Clear? And this one thread like structure, it is called chromatin. Chromatin thread like structure, and it has always minus charge, and this protein portion always having plus charge. Clear? So this is the packaging of DNA. But here you can see the packaging of DNA. Inside the packaging of DNA, the total structure, the total structure of octane protein, it is covered, it is that outer side, it is covered with the acidic medium, and that acidic medium, it is with the positive charge. So number of acids which are found in the outer portion of the octane structure, so that is the base of charge of that octane structure. Clear? So that is which charge? Positive charge. So that percentage of that amino acids which are present amino acids which are present the outer structure of the octane protein nucleus, covered with octane protein nucleus. So that is the strength of the charge of the protein part. Clear? And here the minus charge will be there in the chromatin structure. So you can see here two type of amino acid. One amino acid is called arginine and second amino acid called lysine. So that this is the famous and this is the main amino acids are there which are covered the total protein structure, octane structure of DNA. So here we can say the total that octane structure, the number of octane structure, so many number of octane structure will be there, and one octane structure attached with the one chromatin thread, another octane structure attached with the chromatin thread, another thread like structure, chromatin structure, another state, and then another bead like structure, and then it is attached with the another protein structure. So these are the unit of protein structure, and then protein structure is name is histone protein. It is called histone protein. Clear? So it is convert into a that beaded structure like a beaded necklace, or in Hindi it is called moti ki mala. So here thread, the thread structure, it is thread like structure, it is chromatin structure, it is work as a thread, and then total octane structure of histone protein, it is work as a bead or moti. So अपन उसमें पिरोते जाएं then धागा, then moti, then धागा, then moti, like that. So total chromosomal structure is like that. Clear? So I am going to show you the another diagram of that total DNA structure. So everybody can see this is the structure of the total chromosomal DNA, or that structure of DNA or structure of chromosome. So that total, that ball like structure are that octane histone protein and the thread like structure, and that is called, it is attached with the not a single, it is not a that single in between the thread, but it is attached like that. Clear? So like a that beaded necklace. Clear? So after that we are going to study about the chromosomal structure. So here everybody can see the structure of chromosomes. After that, whenever the process of cell division, in the cell division stage of metaphase stage, which stage you have already studied in 11th class, metaphase stage, whenever metaphase stage will come, so in that stage the total thread like structure and chromatin structure will give the total number of chromosome. So it will together and it will give the total number of chromosomes that particular individual. So here it is not called the histone protein which is attached with the chromatin thread, but it is called the structure of chromosome. And in which stage? In the stage of metaphase stage of cell division. Clear? But here it's another process, some protein like structure which is found, that whenever it is the cross, whenever it is curved like that spring like structure, so each and every curve, this curve is called, here in this coiling there will be a maximum number of gene, genes are found? Because of that curve structure. Because of curve, if it is in that straight line, so that gene are found, it's a like that. But if it is coiled, so that maximum number of gene are found in coiling structure. So that joint, this joint is called chromonemata. Clear? This joint is called chromonemata. And now here, if this joint is called chromonemata, so another, in another word, this chromonemata are there. So here this, it is called chromonemata, and this thread like structure is called chromatin. फिर again here is octane structure of protein, and that is called chromonemata, and again this thread like structure is called chromatin. Clear? So wherever in DNA structure thread like structure, it is called chromatin, and when it is curved, so that joint is called chromonemata. Clear? So that is the major structure of DNA or major structure of chromosomes. So now here you can see in that structure somewhere, that folding of chromosome, somewhere it is lightly, very lightly, it is very lightly, it is curved very lightly, and somewhere it is tightly curved, somewhere it is tightly curved, and somewhere it is very light curve. So wherever the light curve covering over there, so we are going to stain the chromosome. When we are going to stain the coloring the chromosome, so always that light bounds, wherever that light, that coiling is there, so it will give the light color, it will give the light color, and wherever the tight covering or tight curve is there, so it will give the dark color. Understood? When we are going to stain the chromosome, so always the tight, that then it is the coiling, tight coiling, it is shows the dark color, and that light coiling, it will shows the light color. Clear? So that light color is that it is called euchromatin, and then dark color, it is called heterochromatin. So here the, it gives the dark color, so it is called heterochromatin. Clear? And the, it gives the light color, so it is called euchromatin, it is called euchromatin. Clear? So after coloring the chromosomal structure, that light color shows the light bounding, and then dark color always shows the that tight bounding. So we can found the two color, light, it is called the euchromatin, and dark color, and that is called the heterochromatin. So this is the packaging of DNA. Clear? So now everybody clear the this topic, about this topic, what is the packaging of DNA, and what is the total formation of DNA structure. Clear?